Hi everyone, I am back and I received some wonderful happy mail this week and I just wanted to share it with you. It is from the lovely Chris Mortimer and it was just such a lovely surprise. Let me show you what she sent me. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my goodness me. So let me put these things to the side and show you. Look at these lovely threads here that she sent. Look at this lovely wool kind of mix. I just love it. Look at that. And these lovely gorgeous colours. And look at these lovely eyelash trim. I don't have any in navy blue for sure. I don't have any. I've got some in sparkly white. I don't even have any. Actually, it's like a lilac-y colour. So it's like a lilac and a blue. I don't have a lilac. And there's this lovely fluffy trim as well. So thank you so much, Chris. Oh, you wait till you see this fabric. Look, I love this. Look at this. And I'm trying to rack my brain how I'm going to do a journal with this. Look at this. Isn't that just beautiful fabric with the cat on it? Look at that. That is just absolutely stunning. I have to make something really special with this because I love it, and I don't know what to do quite with it, but I will figure it out. I'm like, oh my goodness me, that's going in my cat box of things. And look at these little cat faces, this fabric with these little cat faces on as well. So I'm going to have fun making something with that as well. So my cat journal, I think I'm going to have to do another cat journal because I've got so many cat bits to go in. And look, she found me an old ordnance survey for Swindon. I do have some ordnance survey maps, but I do not have a Swindon one. So look how gorgeous this is. I'll have to find where I am actually on this map and do something fun with it. Oh my gosh, trying to find. Let's have a look. Where are we? I can't even see where I am. That's Marlborough. Oh look, Swindon's up here. So we're over up here somewhere. So I will have to do something with that. That is a lot of fun. Look, one of these bingo cards. Oh, and some, look, lovely green eyelash. I've got my eyelash trim has grown now. So I've got quite a few different little bits and pieces. But look at that. That's a lot of fun, isn't it? It's almost Halloween-y. That's a lot of fun. And there's also, let's move these over here. Oh, so thank you so much, Chris. It's so lovely of you to be thinking of me, even though you're on your vacation. Bless her, she's on vacation at the moment, and she found all these bits and pieces that she wants to take back home, and she shared them with me, which is lovely. This is lovely fabric. It's very thick, and it feels lovely, actually. That was going to be a lovely cover to a journal. I really love that. It's all like soft and yummy. We like the feel of certain things. Okay, that's gorgeous. And some lovely yellow lace here. Lots of yellow lace. Look there. It's got lovely flowers on, actually. It's really, really pretty. It's going in my lace box. And then some lovely, gorgeous fabric. And this is all silky. And it's got lovely birds on it. And it's got like a lovely sheen to this fabric. You probably can't pick it up on the camera, but it's gorgeous. It almost feels like there's like very like silk sort of effect in there. It's got a lovely silky feel, so that's absolutely beautiful. It's going in my fabric. And then look, I have these lovely what's in there? Look, I love this. This is like a little fabric swatch. Embroidery swatch. Look how gorgeous that is. That is just beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I do have a couple in my, I have a box with old ephemera in it, and you know, things that I'm saving and treasuring, and they're too gorgeous to sometimes use. I should use them, but I don't. And I do have a couple of these little flower embroidery things, and that's going to go with that. And they're gorgeous. Little vintage thing. And look at these postcards. Look, cats rule. That's going in my cat box. But look at this. It says Thug Life, and it's Charlie. Look, that seriously is probably Charlie's brother. That's what Charlie would have ended up like if he was still on the streets. That is definitely Charlie's brother that didn't get homed. I took Charlie off the streets, but that would have been Charlie. Oh, that is hilarious. That is actually really funny. And look at these lovely old vintage sort of bingo playing cards. You know, like you would have in a bingo game. So cute. So thank you so much, Chris. You really are adorable, and thank you for thinking of me. And I will treasure all of my lovely bits and pieces that you've sent me, and I just wanted to share it all with you. But how lucky am I? I'm such a lucky girl. I really am. So that's my happy mail for today. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, we will have more things coming up in the next week, more giveaways. Oh look, I have to just show you something that I got. If you've been watching my AliExpress hauls, you'll see that I've been getting some Rolodex dies. Actually, I've been using them in journals, but I actually thought, how fun would it be to have a vintage Rolodex? Look, so I got one. I actually got, look. So what I'm actually going to do is, when I do my giveaways and you send me your addresses for me to send things, I'm going to keep you all in my Rolodex. So then I can go, oh, let's have a look. Oh, Seri won this week, didn't she? So I'm going to put it, an alphabet on these cards, and I'll be able to go, where is she? I won't need to then send off your address. So how cool is that? Look, I can't help but turn it. This is a vintage Rolodex, and I'm going to be using my dies for it. Look, I'm just a big kid, really, aren't I? Look. So I'm going to be making some of these lovely cards, but I'm going to decorate them and have a lot of fun with it. So if you want to be in my Rolodex, just in case you win one of my giveaways, then email me your address and I will put it in my Rolodex, ready for when you win a giveaway. There you go. Deal. Right, I'm going to go and have a little play with my Rolodex. I've just realised as well, I have put a new, oh my God, there you go. My holder that was holding my phone broke, so I've ordered a new one, and I've actually placed it here rather than up there. And I think actually when I lean on the table, it's making the video wobble, so I'm going to have to check when I watch this one back if I've wobbled too much. I do apologise. I might have to move my thing, but it is lower down, so actually I think it's closer, so I'm going to have to see. Might have to alter my lighting and everything. I'll have to see when I watch this back. But I've really waffled now, haven't I? Okay, it's not all about me, I know. Right. I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.